Allah. How are you? Alhamdulillah, I am fine, thank you. Are you? Alhamdulillah, I am fine, thank you too. What's your name? My name is Atif. What's your father's name? Father's name is Mahfouz. What's your home? My home is in Garashahid. What's your village name? My village name is Dabujabara. Where do you read? I read in the madrasa. Which department do you study? I study in Nurani department. In which madrasa do you read? I read in the Jamia Samsul Urum International School and Base Madrasa Nagar. In which class do you read? I read in class 2. Who is the principal of your madrasa? The principal of my madrasa was Hazrat Maulana Masood Rahman Shamsi. Okay, I will get admission in your madrasa soon. Okay, bye bye, Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
MashaAllah.